Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Rancho. Today we're going to concentrate on some electrical issues. As I've said before, when you have a property, especially one with multiple buildings on the compound and a pretty decent slug of land, there's always something to do in the way of maintenance. So let's go at the Shine Shack and see what we got to get accomplished today. All right, Dee, so Shine Shack, you really kept this place in outstanding condition, but we have a few electrical problems. You want to come in the bathroom and explain what's going on first over here? Some of our supplies, because I don't stay in here. I'm not really on top of everything that's
I just went
going on.
Went to plug in my shaver clippers and the light's on, but there's no electricity coming out of there.
Yeah, we have no light up. Yeah, there we do. We have a light there too. So,
but even the night light doesn't come on.
Even we've tested this. We've plugged something in, and even though the green light is on there showing that there's power to it, we're not getting power. So I'm suspecting that we have a failed GFI, which happens. They're not indefinite life. So
right.
There's the first situation. What else we got? D, we've got. This bank of lights has been out for months, so you can pop them on the show.
Since I've been here. So it wasn't me, I swear to God.
So I suspected it, put the other one on too. Okay, I suspect it's a switching problem there. And we need to replace a bulb. I got some bulbs today. So I guess we'll start in the bathroom first, D, and we'll tackle this GFI. They do fail. They last for so long, and I've had these in for about, I'd say about 7 years now. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the cover here and take a look at it. All right, this is a good time to mention if you're going to try to tackle electrical issues, think twice about it, okay? These circuitry and things can definitely kill you, and you don't get a second chance at that. So this is something I would not advise. Changing out a wall outlet or a switch or something like that unless you really know what you're doing, okay? I don't want you bzzzt. Okay, I've gone ahead and checked the connection, make sure everything's grounded well in there. It looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this side of the switch and then hook up the other side here. I think that's got it. We just confirmed, I'm plugged in here, that just the GFI went bad, which they do. I mean, they're getting a lot of application here. It's a wet area, humidity and moisture. So, okay, let's go ahead and dress this up and batten her down. Pretty much accomplished the mission there. We've got that all looking good again, D, and ready to go and nice and safe. You should always have ground fault interrupter circuits wherever you have wet areas. Lord knows how many lives it's saved. We're addressing the issue of why one bank of lights out, and a very unusual thing happened here. In it is very rare that this happens. That there must have been a surge. I went ahead and took the voltmeter here and checked the fact that this switch is getting power here. So I know that the circuit is energized. Dead, huh? So we must have had some type of surge that knocked out some things. I don't know. It's strange. I've never seen a whole series. Yeah, strange. I've never seen a whole series wiped out before. I'm going to ask Dee to hold this, and I'll show you how you test the switch. Now I have my voltmeter here, and if I put this one side on ground and one side on hot with the power down, you see I don't have anything, any power. But then I flip it up and attach it, and we get to 120. So I know that the switch is good. So okay, turn it off, and it powers off. So okay, so it's very unusual that we had that kind of surge. I'll let D go ahead and replace that last bulb. That's an easy fix, isn't it?
Yeah, that was.
All right. A lot brighter in here now, huh?
It is a lot brighter.
So I'm going to take this opportunity, because I have LEDs and the price came down. We're going to go ahead and try to these front two up here. So I'm going to go inside and grab and see if I have another 60 water. So, looking good. Blade is back on. D is going ahead and changing the, putting things out to the new LED lights. So we'll save a lot of energy in here. So.
Can you flip that switch on?
Yep.
It's like
watch your eyes just in case. Sometimes they.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Yes.
All right. So it's looking good. I can make it like new. Gmail.com. That one's still cooling off up there?
Yeah.
All right. So we got one more to go, and then it is mission accomplished. Last job we have to do is these cut back some of this brush that was from this mulberry tree that was kind of interfering with the light. And let's go ahead and change this out to the LED job, all weather. There, and that should be in good shape. We won't have to worry about the branches triggering that light to come on as it sometimes does. So take that from you. Yep. That's a halogen. So they now have the new style. That's really bright there. So we need to do one more. We got one more location. The other location here, I'm going to got 100 watt in the front and 75 in the back. I'm going to switch them out. Have D do that. And we'll put the 100 watt in case somebody tries to come through the gate. Be all set there. And then we got one for the front. Exchange, yep. This will really lower the energy use here too. And there it is. All right, so all lights are replaced. Woo! Woohoo! I want to thank D for number one, drawing those things that needed attention to my attention, and also for helping to swap out the lights. We're at 100% electrically here on the Rancho today. And you're happy now, huh? You can actually plug your shaver in right at the sink now. So I want to thank you guys for being along. If you take a second to thumbs up the video, much appreciated. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Woo.